now give your stars. Kuya Gary.
4 stars go to Alonzo.
Thank you po.
4 stars go to Laika.
Thank you po.
4 stars go to Ella.
Thank you po.
4 stars go to Justin.
Thank you po.
5 stars go to AC.
Thank you po.
6 stars go to Sam.
Thank you po.
7 stars go to Aura.
Thank you po.
8 stars go to Sia.
Thank you very much, Kuya Gary. Ito naman. Kuya Ogie.
I give 4 stars to Laika.
Thank you po.
4 stars to Alonzo.
Thank you po.
4 stars to Ella.
Thank you po.
4 stars to Justin.
Thank you po.
5 stars to Aura.
Thank you po.
I give 6 stars to Zia.
Thank you po.
I give 7 stars to AC.
Thank you po.
And 8 stars to Sam.
Thank you po.
Now, nakasalala ito ngayon. Kay Ate Sam.
I give 4 stars to Alonzo, 4 stars to Laika,
Thank you po.
4 stars to Justin,
Thank you po.
4 stars to Ella.
Thank you po.
I give 5 stars to Sia.
Thank you po.
I give 6 stars to Aura.
Thank you po.
I give 7 stars to Sam and 8 stars to AC.
Thank you po.
You got the highest number of stars this week. Sam with 21 stars. Congratulations. Ikaw ang ating weekly winner. Halika na dito, Sam. Wow. Good job, bro. Come here, man. Ito na ang iyong medalya.
Thank you po. Thank you.
This is your third? Am I correct? This is Sam's third, no? Pero ito pa, tatanggap ka rin ng 50,000 pesos at 50,000 pesos worth of clothes para sa iyong chosen beneficiary, ang Pangarap Foundation. Once again, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Sam, good job. Pwede ka nang maupo dyan sa couch. Kids, handa na ba kayong malaman kung sino? Organizer, line up! Magsisimula tayo kay Laika.